Joe says, do you also audit for answer engine optimization? Not yet, although that is something I'm trying to develop a process for. So I don't audit for that yet, but I am working on some things to try to manipulate that first. And then if I can do it consistently, then I will work on figuring out that the next step after figuring out if I can manipulate AI answer engines and language models consistently, then the next step will be figuring out how to audit for that. We talked about this in the meeting last week. This is a pretty cool tool, noatoa.com. You can check this out. This is it's still kind of early. We did on our mastermind webinar last week. We brought Jeremy Nolteman on from Press Advantage because he was just attending the webinar anyways, and I brought this up, Noatoa, and because I had recently discovered it and played with it a little bit, and he actually had a call. Jeremy had a call with the owner and developer of this service, and so he said, "Hey, I had a call with him just in the last couple of days. If you'd like, I can come on and talk about it." So I brought him onto the webinar and we had a chat about it. So there's some pretty interesting things in here that we covered last week in the mastermind webinar. But this is like an interesting service that kind of can track how brands and things like that are being represented in different language models, and it creates kind of a like almost like a rank tracker for AI answers and things like that, large language models, etc. So you can check it out, Noatoa. I think it gives you you can sign up for a free account. It's not cheap to unlock a lot of the other language models and stuff. You have to pay, and it's not cheap. But I think things like these are going to become more important as Google continues to lose market share.